Today's exciting episode, I work on a Saturday. Oh yes, what a fine beverage. This is a special weekend edition of Scott Brown Carpentry. I don't usually work on Saturdays, I try to avoid it, but today's a bit different. So yeah, it's Saturday, and I am at a job that I started over a year ago. So you might have seen this area here. This is the bench and trellis thing that I built, and this deck we spent quite a bit of time on as well. Now, this is my mum's house, and when it comes to relatives, builders are notoriously bad for leaving their jobs to last. Guilty. But it's not like I haven't offered solutions. This step has been like this for quite some time. And I suggested to my mum, why not make it into a sort of planter box feature? We could grow herbs such as coriander and basil, get a lot of sunlight, plenty of herbs from the garden for the kitchen. But yeah, I think they just want a step. So that's what I'm going to do today. So these are the pilot bits that we use. Pilot bit. The Spax T25 for the screws. This is very nice. Man, and like, I'm a skinny guy, so maybe I'm not the way to measure it.